Stand up straight or sit in a stable chair with one non-elastic band placed around the low back. Position the band slightly below your affected or painful area and hold the ends in each hand. Ensure that the band sits between your forearms and your body on each side with your palms facing up toward the ceiling. Bend your elbows while holding the band. At this point, you should feel a lifting or gliding sensation at the level of the band. If you do not feel this, shorten the band and try the glide again by bending your elbows with your palms facing upward. When you feel this lifting or gliding sensation, you can proceed with the mobilization. For the mobilization, you will pull in an upward diagonal toward your eyes while you simultaneously rotate your body toward the direction that your clinician indicated. Return back to center. This is considered one cycle. Repeat this mobilization until all cycles are complete.